always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. Fox has the number wheel set up. Let's see what today's number will be.
Ooh, can I spin the wheel? Go for it, Hedgehog. Today's special number is 6. Yay! Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 6 on it. Oh, there it is! Now let's flip the card over and count how many ants there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in all?
6. Hedgehog, you win! Yay, what do I win? 6 hugs! Here I come!
Today's number is 6. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 6. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 6 times. Clap 6 times. Nod 6 times. Point 6 times. March 6 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Let's count wiggle bugs together. 6. There are 6 wiggle bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many wiggle bugs in all? 6! That's right! Let's take their pictures! Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture.
Let's count together.
6!
There are 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count them with me.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6. How many apples in all?
6!
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. This story features a little girl, a dog, and a cat. Let's see what happens. Let's begin. It Wasn't Me, written by Leslie Beek, illustrated by Gwendolyn Vandermeer, designed by Alexandria McKinnon. I won't be long. Be good. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Crash. Oh. Oh no. Hiss. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. It wasn't me. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose!
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog!
I'm going to teach you a song called London Bridge. And look what I have in my backpack, a ukulele. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay!
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go! London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Stars. Squares. Rectangles. Hey, I have an idea. Look!
Lilo. This is tricky. Oh, there it is!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. Yes, on